How to install, configure, and view the Anaimo AI Assistant plugin. Install your Anaimo AI Assistant. To connect Anaimo AI Assistant to your website, you can use our WordPress plugin. Here are the steps to install and configure it. In your WordPress toolbar, select Plugins, then Add New Plugin. In the plugin search bar, type Anaimo. The Anaimo AI Assistant should appear as the first option. Click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, the option Activate Now will appear. Click on it to activate the plugin. To configure the Anaimo AI Assistant plugin, configure your use case by going to the chat settings from Settings/Anaimo AI Chat. Select the location of the chat button and the color you want it to appear. Fill in the USCA, CLIE, and hash data. To access these data, click on the Open Anaimo AI Assistant button. This will open the administration window for all your use cases. Create your Anaimo AI Assistant user and use cases. If you don't have a user yet, you can create it from the Click Here to Register option. Fill in all the information and click on the Register button. You will receive an email to activate your account and finally be able to access the administrator platform. Create a new use case and complete all the data they request, such as the initial greeting from your assistant or the keywords that will send you a notification so that you can attend to the user manually, etc. Once you have the use case created, you can add instructions about your business to it. You can add these instructions in any language. Configure your Anaimo AI Assistant. To access the data required in the plugin configuration, click on Use Cases and preview for the case you want to display on your website. In the link that appears after the preview, you will find all the data you need for the plugin configuration. Finally, to display it on the website, you need to add the shortcode with a shortcode block or in HTML format, Anaimo AI Chat. This shortcode should be added to the footer or menu if you want it to be on all pages of your website. Otherwise, it should be added directly to the page where you want it to appear. Remember, your Anaimo AI Assistant speaks in any language the user speaks to it. Now you can benefit from one of the most powerful intelligent assistants available. For more information or support, please email us at support@anaimo.com.